Defense in Kabaddi is a combined effort in which all the players defend themselves from the attack of a single rider. Therefore, teamwork is of crucial importance for successful defense. Unlike other team games, each player has to have the capacity to play 2 or 3 positions other than his own due to the out and revive rules of play. For example, when a corner player is put out, his position has to be filled by any other defender. This situation doesn't arise in other team sports. This is the demand of the match situation at any given time. That is the peculiarity of the Kabaddi. For our easy understanding, the basic positions of the defenders can be studied in 3 zones. Right zone consists of 2 players, that is right corner and right in. The center zone consists of 3 players, that is right cover, center man and left cover. Now the left zone, that is consists 2 players, left corner and left in. These are the 3 zones we study in detail. The defense player occupying each of these positions has specific functions to perform in coordination with his counterparts. The player is always identified by the position he occupies, irrespective of the number of defenders on the field. Now let us study the grips used in Kabaddi to form a chain. You have seen the chain formation. One player holds the other and make a chain. To form this chain, they use a grip. We have different grips. One grip by holding the wrist of the other defender. Mostly in the corner zones, this grip is used. This is more firm compared to other grips. Corner player holds the right in or left in with this grip to hold the rider with chain. The second grip is interlinking fingers with the other defender. In modern Kabaddi, this grip is firmer and stronger as both players make the grip. Third one is gripping each other's arms. This grip is not as firm when compared to the other first 2 types of grips. Interlocking fingers is another type of grip. Holding palms and interlocking fingers are grips mostly used by the center zone players. Since this is a loose grip, both players can go for individual tackles easily. These grips are used as tactics by inner players to initiate a surprise attack. Regarding the stance and positional play, left corner and left cover keep their left leg forward as leading leg, like a boxer stance, and cover towards the right side. Similarly, the right corner and right cover keep their right leg forward as leading leg to cover left side of the court. The inner player, like right in, left in and center man, they are the supporting players. They keep opposite leg as their leading leg to form the chain. The movement of the chain should be in a curve while advancing on the rider. To maintain the curvature of the chain, they should keep their shoulders parallel to each other and move smoothly.